Hi everyone, Harris here with iDownload Blog, and iOS 12.2 beta version 1 has been released, and with it is a decent amount of cosmetic changes and a few functional differences as well. We'll start with the things Apple told us, and then the things we find out for ourselves. Apple News is now available in Canada in both English and French, including bilingual options in your feed, and well, that's about it from what Apple said, but behind the scenes we find much more. Screen mirroring ditches the iconic AirPlay icon for two iPad Pro-esque, TV-esque rectangular icons. In Face ID and passcode settings, the wallet option for access while locked is gone, which actually was a confusing setting that I didn't realize was there in 12.1.3, and basically this triggered the double tap for Apple Wallet. Not a big change. A tiny difference in Wallet and Apple Pay settings: payments on Mac and transaction defaults have switched their locations. Wallet with Apple Pay Cash now looks much different, much more similar to the rounded notifications and other elements on iOS 12. Latest transactions shows more information, has that bubbly design. You can add more money from the first screen, and the More Info tab also has that redesign. In Safari, there's a new not secure indicator if the page you're on does not have a secure HTTPS connection, a feature that previously only was shown when requesting a password or credit card, but now is there all the time. There's a new suggestion insertion button when searching the web via your search engine, which is very handy if you're accustomed to using that on a desktop browser. That can be a nice shortcut. Allow speaker and TV access is a new option. The TV access is a new option for HomeKit for the recently announced AirPlay-enabled smart TVs, which were shown a lot at CES, and that's very promising for more smart TVs and AirPlay TVs, which is very exciting. The TV Control Widget in Control Center now has gone full screen. I don't think it's a bad thing, and it looks pretty clean, but it's a little bit confusing to get back. There's no tapping. You just have to swipe up for the home button to exit out. Maps now lets you turn off weather conditions, but you can also add air quality indexes. Siri has a better integration when requesting music to play. And finally, there's some hidden code about Hey Siri for AirPods, which perhaps is a second hint after Apple's keynote video a few months ago about a next generation of Apple AirPods, which we've been waiting for a while, perhaps imminent, and perhaps with AirPower. So those are the changes with iOS 12.2 beta version 1. The developer profile is out, and the public one is likely soon to come. Let me know if you have any questions or anything else you want to add to this. You can leave those down in the comment section below. But thanks for watching.